Assalamu alaikum children. So yesterday we have seen that Mr. Purandare, who is completely lost in the jungle of Umbarzara, and he is leaving into the village of Pitazari. He is a very famous environmentalist, you can say, who believes in the conservation of forest, and he shared his experience where he is lost in the jungle of Pitazari. And yesterday we have seen how he explained that suddenly he heard the lots of noise of langurs are coming, which is giving the alarm call to all of the members and to the writer also, that some danger is very near to them, and that danger is no one but a leopard of Umbarzara. So now we see what the writer is doing. Now see, from here I will start. I stayed put, gauged the leader langur's target site and scanned the area visually. Took some steps, stopped again. Now the writer is gauged means guess करना. The leader langur's target site, वो किस तरफ देख रहा था, इन्होंने भी गेस किया कि यहाँ शायद से खतरा है हमको, जहाँ वो देख रहा था. एंड कुछ कदम में रुक गया और फिर मैं रुक गया. A fresh cat was lying before me on the trail. The bluish purple flies were hovering over it. और मुझे रास्ते में क्या मिला, एक कुछ एनिमल के ड्रॉपिंग्स स्केच मीन्स कुछ मरा हुआ जानवर टाइप, लाइक समथिंग मुझे मिला वहाँ पर, और उसके ऊपर क्या कर रहे थे, मक्खियाँ होवरिंग कर रहे थे. होवरिंग मीन्स लिंगरिंग, भिनभिनाना. I was sure that the leopard was somewhere near. The distant alarm call of four-horned antelope was adding to the chaos. न सिर्फ लंगूर्स बल्कि एंटेलोप जी ज़ोर ज़ोर से जो चिल्ला रहे थे, that was also giving me the alarm call that the leopard is somewhere very near to me. I barely walked around 15 meters and stopped. I heard apparently entered in the sanctum sanctorum of a miracle called leopard. और मैं ऐसी मुझे जो different voice आ रही थी, suddenly I came to know that I entered into the sanctum sanctorum, यानी कि मैं ऐसे एरिया में आ गया था that is totally private, which is not for everyone, and that area is belong to leopard. But the big cat was not visible. लेकिन जिस एरिया में मैं आया था, the big cat was not visible. Big cat means, here it means the leopard. The surroundings were reminding me that I was all alone time and again. As I moved forward on the trail to Pitazari, the fading alarm calls were still heard in the background. और मैं जैसे जैसे पिटजारी की तरफ जा रहा था, I still heard the background, the sounds of the animals. I could tell instinctively that the leopard had moved away. और उन voices के basis पे I could tell you instinctively means suddenly मैं बता सकता हूँ that the leopard is gone. He is moved away. वो कहीं और चला गया था, दूर जा चुका था. Meanwhile, I saw a man standing at a distance with a stick in his hand. As I approached, they appeared spooked due to alarm calls of the leopard. और जैसे जैसे I saw, मैं दूर जाता गया, I saw a man. मैंने एक इंसान को देखा. Now see the feelings of the writer. He is in the dense forest and he is very near to death because the leopard is very close to him somewhere. And suddenly he saw a man into that jungle, and he was, oh my God. As I approached, he appeared spooked. Spooked means एकदम वो डर गया. कौन? That person, the man whom he met. क्यों डरा हुआ था वो? Because of the sounds of the langurs. We greeted each other. हम दोनों एक दूसरे से मिले. He was Raju Iskape from Pitazari. He had come to collect logs but retreated due to the leopard's movements. Now he is from the Pitazari village. His name is Raju Iskape. इसका पे, एंड ही केम टू कलेक्ट सम लॉक्स, लकड़ियाँ वगैरह जमा करने के लिए आया था. Raju was amazed at my regular solitary visits to Ambarzara, the haven for tigers, leopards and sloth bears. राजू को बहुत ताज्जुब हुआ कि that I came solitary. Solitary means alone, अकेला मैं आता हूँ. In the heaven, heaven means shelter, जगह, रहने की जगह, heaven. किसका है heaven? Tigers, leopards and sloth bears. यानी कि इतना ख़तरा रहने के बावजूद भी मैं यहाँ पर आ रहा हूँ. We stopped under a kusum tree to take a break. We both felt a bit relaxed. Now we were 4 eyes, 4 hands with a stick. Then we both resumed our walking too. Now the writer is very relaxed that he find a man in the dense jungle where no life is there. Life is there, but that human beings are not there. So he was very relaxed. Now he had 4 eyes, 4 hands, including the eyes of and hands of the Raju. There was one tiny Now see from here. There was one tiny track that broke out of the main trail. I will take this road, you go straight, said Raju and turned right. Now Raju said that there was one tiny track. Tiny track means एक रास्ता है यहाँ पर से जो छोटा है. आप वहाँ उधर से मैं उधर का रास्ता ले लेता हूँ और आप राइट वाला मैं राइट चला जाता हूँ और आप, यानी कि हम दोनों अब अपने क्या करेंगे, रास्ते अलग अलग कर लेते हैं. I kept walking straight until I climbed a familiar hillock. मैं चलता गया, लेकिन मैं कब तक चलता गया, जब तक कि मुझे एक थोड़ा सा familiar hillock नहीं मिला. hillock किसको बोलेंगे? एक छोटा सा टीला होता है जैसा, वैसा उस टाइप. I crossed the cement pillar and stones stacked by the Forest Development Corporation to mark the boundary of the forest compartment. Now see, और मैं चलता गया तो मैं कहाँ तक चला, जहाँ तक कि फॉरेस्ट डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन की जो बाउंड्री होती है वहाँ तक आ गई और मैंने उसको भी क्या किया, पार कर लिया. एंड फॉरेस्ट कंपार्टमेंट है एंड आई मूव्ड अहेड. देन took another trial after climbing down across a beautiful moha tree loaded with reddish brown leaves. The ground under the tree was cleaned very well. Suddenly when I crossed the boundary of the Forest Development Corporation, I saw a very beautiful moha tree. Moha tree is a tree. So the tree is loaded with reddish brown leaves से वो भरा हुआ था और उसके नीचे जो ट्री की मेजर जो नीचे एरिया होता है वहाँ पर ट्रीज़ के जो लीव्स होते हैं, जो फ्रूट्स होते हैं या जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं, दे केम आउट ऑटोमेटिकली. बट मोआ ट्री के नीचे का जो एरिया था दैट वाज वेरी क्लीन. द थॉट इंस्टेंटली फ्लैश्ड इन माई माइंड आई वुड लॉस्ट माई वे. और मुझे एकदम से क्या लगने लगा, नहीं अब मैं क्या कर चुका हूँ, मैं टोटली गुम चुका हूँ. Next moment I found another dusky trail. Hastily I took that trail which took me from a narrow gorge to an open field. The area was surrounded by hillocks of dry deciduous tropical forest. Now see, as you know very well, the forests are very beautiful in the day, but forests are very dangerous in the evening. And forests are even dangerous in the day also, because there are lots of trees, animals which are very harmful for you. Even the trees are also very harmful for you. So the writer is very much upset that he is lost in this jungle, and that because it is very difficult to get an way to out of this situation. Narrow gorge means एक पत्थर होते हैं साइड से और पतला से एक रास्ता होता है जाने के लिए. That is, the area was surrounded by hillocks of dry deciduous tropical. और इतना ज़्यादा वहाँ पर क्या था, that is बहुत ज़्यादा पत्ते थे वहाँ पर. that is trees के जो पत्ते होते हैं वो. I turned back to spot the sun. Now the geographical west was set. Even मुझे सूरज भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था क्योंकि that was very dense forest. The dusky trail had vanished. Good heavens, I was lost. Completely lost in this jungle, that too at a very dreadful time. The sun was melting down like a fleeting manner. Now see, the writer is telling you that I was completely lost. Good heavens means, oh God, मैं क्या हो चुका हूँ, गुम चुका हूँ. I am completely lost in द टाइम ऑफ ड्रेडफुल टाइम इज, शाम का वक्त, रात होने वाली है, उस टाइम में लॉस्ट हो चुका हूँ। और द सन वॉज मेल्टिंग डाउन लाइक अ फ्लीटिंग रनर, इतनी जल्दी से सूरज क्या हो रहा है, गुम हो रहा है, वैनिश हो रहा है, गुम हो रहा है। ओके, आई विल स्टॉप हियर।